Moderation helps feel safe. Build a positive live chat experience for you and your viewers. Choose who can participate. Set a delay between messages. Hide or put people in timeout. Manage messages held for review. Use moderators to your channel. Not needed here. Sorry, YouTube. I'm not the soup Nazi that you are. Okay, what I'm showing is my YouTube channel. Okay. No, not that YouTube channel. This one. That one. Put it back on my little pedestal now. Please. This is my iPad Pro 5th gen. This is my website. I coded this in PHP, and it's available on GitHub and open source GPL3. So you vibe code it with ChatGPT. Have something just like it of your own. No delay, send us in right away. Hey, come on. Or something like this. I remember when this song came out. I was like 13 or 12.
It'll take just a minute to show you, how we wrote that. This involved having a new language as well as a new evaluator, and so you'll need to understand a little bit about how it works. Everything's done by sending messages. So this is self in this case is receiving the message factorial, and what this means is if I myself am equal to, and that's done by saying send equal to equal with the 0. Then return 1. Otherwise, return myself times the factorial of myself minus 1. So what's notable about this is that in conventional programming at the time, none of this would have worked for both small integers and large integers. But in this case, each of these things, it's like the equal test, the multiplication, the subtraction, those were all sent as messages so that this method actually works regardless of what the type of the receiver is.
I was talking about small talk.
It's not reviving a system like this.
It was called the was it Palo Alto? The Palo Alto.
I can go into the, let's
It's what inspired Steve Jobs to make the Macintosh. These guys created the first GUI-based interface, but the difference was that this was a language too. It was an object-oriented language called Smalltalk. And you can program the interface of the computer you're on. So you can actually change the operating system as you're using it because it's object-oriented design. And Steve Jobs, when he saw this, thought it was the greatest thing. But all he ever saw was the graphical user interface. All the other stuff that was going on, he didn't see because it was beyond him. He's not a coder. Steve Jobs is never a coder. He's basically just a marketing type. He sees great ideas. He doesn't see technology. He doesn't understand. He wasn't the guy who designed the Apple computer. That was Wozniak. Steve Jobs just got into the hands of people and knew how to find the people that would be most affected by it. He's a marketing dude. So this channel is about having Oculus mode. This was the mode that I had set up so you could see it inside of a Meta, before it was Meta, Oculus Go headset.
Dispatch on it, see what its value is, and do this or this or this or that. So here is actually the entire description of how the Smalltalk.
So I'm going to try to get this.
This is actually how Smalltalk.
Get that D down there. Okay, and then go down here. So off. So I can do this. We got Mark Shuttleworth up here talking about